a little bit the Oracle NoSql work with the tools in the IDE, especially Intelligent G. While you're doing the connection, of course, we did the explanation. We did some practice last time with the cloud simulation and the on-premise database. Both can be used. We did the connection successfully. We did it those two of them, but we didn't explain this one. I mean, how we can if your Oracle NoSQL database, if there is a in the cloud, how we can connect with in the from the distance remotely, then how do we work with them? So that's the one things. Especially we needed to how to create those things. For example, where we can get endpoint. Of course, we know what's the SDKs. Of course, we can select from the local. We already installed in the local, so we can easily found it. It's no problem. The problem is those are endpoint, tenant ID, user ID, fingerprint, privacy key, and the password and the compartment. So where it is, where those things coming from? So those are actually coming from the Oracle Cloud. So why, if you already signed Oracle, if you already have an Oracle account just like me, so I can log into Oracle account. For example, I just trying to demonstrate. Yeah, what's happened. I don't know what's happened. It's internet suddenly. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to log in. Show you how it look like the Oracle Cloud environment. It's been called Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Can log in my with my Oracle Cloud account. So basically, that's a place. After you successfully log in, then in the right side, in the left, there is a menu. Usually, you can directly, use it during the. Sorry, it's very slow response. Okay, so basically those are resources we can use it. For example, a computer, there is a lot instance things. I will be use it because instance will I have to create, for instance, of the database, NoSQL, storage, networking for virtual network. Those are I will be some part we will be touch it. And then now first things, where is the uh, where's the where's the NoSQL? So database, you can, there is a Oracle NoSQL. I'm trying to create table um, for things. Very slow. I already have one table. There's a table that a lot of information, especially the storage, 1 GB, those, then also compartment ID, as well as other things. This is a compartment. Usually, compartment is that kind of categorize. You can give a kind of categorize the way to, if you have a lot of resource, you can able to categorize by the compartment. So that's the reason here it is compartments come here. So maybe by default it is a root. So I don't need this compartment so far. But other things that where's let me see, I think I did some kind of research before. For example, endpoint. Actually, endpoint is not made by yourself. Uh, endpoint actually you needed to they already give some link, so you can open it, this link. Come on. So based on your the location, it should be geographic location, which is if you already choose it. For example, I'm choosing Tokyo, is Japan. So that's the reason uh, region of that's the reason I'm going to choose the endpoint. For example, I'm okay. So that's my endpoint. That one I should put here. With the endpoint. Okay, this is my endpoint. What is attendant IDs? I'm coming get access from here. There is a attendance ID. Oh my God, a little bit slow. So that's attendance ID. That's look like that's long stream. So I'm just need to copy it. Then this attendance ID. And also user ID. User ID, of course, I'm going to access the user setting. Then I will be a second. I'm using this user ID. Here it is. Just copy it. This user ID. You can able to see just like that. This user ID. Then it is a fingerprint. It's actually is for a public key. That's for private key. Private key usually you can create in the locally in order to, and public key for verification. And then this one for this is for this password is for private key password. So if you already sign up the password for private key, then you have to put it here. Now my private key I created by Java Tools here, where let me open it. That one, my private key generated locally. Then I think I don't remember whether I have a password or not, but basically let me say the my place okay. I think this is public key. Why I need public key? Yeah, I think public key I used for access to generate the key here. There's a, in the below you have a API case. Here I needed to create the I think I remember this one. I think this one. My fingerprint for public key. I used the private key to usually how to create this my keys. While I am doing, I needed to copy this copy paste my public not copy paste my yeah, public key to generate the the things. So what is those things I needed to upload or copy paste it. Let me just open my text editor. So basically what done here is while I creating the generate key, then I needed to copy this one, then put it here, then I just add it, then they will be generated one line of the fingerprint. So it means I'm trying to we had the link that between the public key and private key. We used to combine with the link with the user name. So this is one. Let me apply to is the key pass. Oh, of course. They have a problem. I'm not choosing the right. I think this one. Yeah, then this is a problem here. There is a problem getting connection error. Decrypt the private key. Decrypt the private key. So I think I still need to provide a provide the password. I think the password is like this. I don't know. Problem connection to provide password. Problem getting connection. I don't remember what does the password look like. Where's what is possible the password? I think again. Remember the password, but let me investigate what I did before. I think here's I did some kind of record, some kind of Administration. I'm sorry, but possibly I using the. Yeah, I think there is a. Yeah, I think basically that I'm trying to use. I think I stored somewhere in the. I think I stored here, so I can directly use my different connection to show you. I think I already stored the information before, so I don't want to use IntelliGenT. I want to use Eclipse. So I guess before, yeah, I did the password, but I don't remember the password. I don't remember password. I believe I stored the password before, so sorry about that with the password. I don't know, there's any yeah, this is a see some connection problem. Let me open the tools. Show the tools. Here it is. Yeah. Open this problem. I just want to open it. Remember there. I think here it is. I have a using the connection that using the cloud. Okay, good. I think I'm using this cloud. So this is a public key. This is a private key, which is I generate with key generation tools, which is provided by Java. Then this is a endpoint, which is I specified it. This is I already copied it, so I guess we get this. Let me show you. Yeah, it's successful. So this is the table is my table. So how we can access it? And let me try to make sure this is a right place we can. Where's my database? Databases, database table. Table name is the table, and then inside table I added two record. Name, ID and the name. So that's all about it. The column, table, row. If I choose, there should be has kind of. There's a two record, my name and the another name. So we also can check the record whether you can, if I can able to. No. Okay, good. So that's another way to connect the NoSQL from the cloud database. I hope it is give a little bit sense to learn a little more things about Oracle NoSQL database.